Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we did a video on Windows 11 and how to change the cursor, the text cursor thickness, and also how to add an indicator with color in order to see it on the screen if you have some visual impairment of some sort. And in Windows 10, it's a little different where you go, but it's available also. So in Windows 10, to have the same feature, if you want to enable it, if you want to change the cursor, text cursor to make it easier to see, right-click on the Start button, go into your settings. Here, you will go into Ease of Access. And in here, you will have, on the left side, text cursor. Here, you have the same options as you have in Windows 11, except that the visuals of what it looks like are just next to the cursor. Honestly, it's interesting because I kind of find this a little better than what Windows 11 actually has, but you have the same options. So you can, of course, change the thickness right here. And here we go. And it gives you an idea of what it looks like. Of course, you can go and type anywhere and see where it looks like. The other option, of course, is the cursor indicator that you can turn on. So at that time, now you've got a cursor indicator that will show up every time you click. So you see the cursor indicators there on the upper left where I want to type. And that cursor indicator, of course, can be bigger or smaller depending on what you do. So these two together can help you customize everything. Once again, you have a choice for the cursor indicator for the colors. And if you don't like the colors that are offered to you, you can pick a custom color on the color palette here and say, I want to have it here, this red. Here we go. And now if you go and type, for example, in the browser, you will see that the text cursor will be visible with the colors. Once again, I want to stress out here that some software do not have the thickness. So as you see here, basically you have a cursor that's the same size as you have normally. So the cursor thickness doesn't work, but at least you've got the indicators that are there and that are visible. So if on a piece of software you're using cursor thickness doesn't work, add an indicator, add it with the color you want and the size that you want. That will always be visible on the software. So two options to help you actually see that text cursor a little better. Could be very useful for some people. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.